So quite a common problem is creaking coming from the rear control arm bushes. Here's one that I've done a little fix on. So what you do is you poke a hole into the rubber, and some people squirt silicone spray in, but actually I've got red rubber grease. I'm squirting it in until it's really nice and full. This one, it's so full it's squirting back out. I've just put a little bit of clear silicone just to seal up over where it is, which it seems to have stopped now. I'll come back to it another point and wipe it off. But yeah, I'm going to try that one. And then there is another one up here. In here, there's another little set there. So, I mean, ideally you'd replace them, but ain't nobody got time for that. So yeah, let's try this. So I've cleaned it up first, and then I'm gonna go and put a pokey hole in here. I'm gonna go try and keep it in line. Right, see that we're in. So yeah, I've loaded up these silicone syringes, and I'll poke it in the hole, squirt it in until it starts firing it back at me. As you can see, it is farting it back at me. It's actually pushing out loads of air as well, which is nice. I'm just going to let it discharge for a bit, and then I'll put some of that silicone sealant on it, and then leave it to drop off when it's ready.